Today, I have all of these other ones, but today we're getting the last one, the scale tool. So I can stretch the billion blocks off, so like and subscribe. Just so I can make it to them. Well, I'm also going to be showing you all my saves. So, the Power Baby one is the one how I teach you how to get to the end. And I have the one called Home, and it's pretty cool. It's like a little house. I am going to launch, maybe, I don't know. But it's this house. Like you can go in there and sit, work. And I made one called Legend, which I am going to launch because it can drive. So, like and subscribe. Drive! We are driving. I'm having a nice time. Look at this noob. I'm going to go run him over. He's not a noob. He's actually doing pretty good. I'm coming for you! Oh, yes! I'm going on land. Yes, he jumped! He's trying to get on! Oh, no! He died. What was that? Ow, my head. Look how dumb I made my house. So, now I'm gonna go. Alright. I have one called Battle Sub. It's right here. And it's a battle submarine. It's like a... And it moves perfectly when you turn. That arm disconnects. But it's cool because you can do... Ah! No! How fell your enemy? Abandoned ship! Ow! And then hide. Now someone's gonna have that on their plot. And now it's over this thing. Now I have one called Ridge Roadhouse. It's right here, and I added something safe because Life Pod right here. I'm gonna be showing you how it works. So I'm gonna watch. This is called the Death Bowl, where you die when you sit in those chairs. You start getting hurt. This is how it works. So launch. Boom! Life Pod deployed. It just gets deployed. Also, I won on a PvE. Let's go reset. I got Angry Birds. It is awesome. It's right here. Those are the piggies, and this is the thing. Now, bam! Oh! Alright, that's cool. Now I got my last one, a mini pirate ship. Yarr! Actually, I don't want to get the scaling tool. I just noticed that it's going to be really hard and the video is going to just end already because you guys know how my videos are always short. Yeah, it always just ends. I have stuff in the bottom of this, but I'm going to end this video. Goodbye. Make sure you like and subscribe for me. And see you next time.